Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews. Today we take a look at the VIVO Y30, which is a budget phone from Vivo with a huge battery, and most importantly, it has Google Play services on it. Now first of all, let's talk about the design of this phone. This phone is made of glass in front and plastic at the back with a plastic frame. The version I have is called the Moonstone White version, and it has these really nice lines running at the back when the light hits it at an angle. It's a really beautiful design. At the back of the device, you'll find a fingerprint sensor and 4 cameras. I like the position of the fingerprint sensor in that it's not too close to the camera so that your finger doesn't go and cover the lens of the camera. Now, at the bottom of the phone, you would find a USB-C port, a speaker, and a 3.5mm earphone port. Now, on the front of the device is a hole punch camera cutout on the top left-hand corner, similar to what you get on many devices nowadays. This phone supports 2 SIMs. And speaking of the front, let's take a look at the display. This phone comes with a 720p LCD display, which is a 6.47 inches panel. Though it's an LCD display and 720p, the colors look very good. In fact, in this side-by-side comparison of the display with that of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I don't know if it's just me, but it looks like the colors on the VIVO Y30 are kind of more vibrant than that of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I don't know what you think, but let me know in the comments below. Now, the main selling points of the VIVO Y30 are 3. 1, you have a battery which is huge, the price which is very low, lots of memory, and most importantly, Google Play services. So let's talk about the memory and storage. This phone comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Now, for a budget phone, that's really cool. Though it doesn't have a very powerful processor, it compensates for that by having more than enough RAM so you can multitask, open and close apps quickly, restart the device quickly, and more. Now, this helps to give you a relatively smooth experience. This phone has 5,000 milliamperes of battery capacity. Yes, you heard me right. 5,000 milliamperes of battery capacity. I've been trying to kill this battery, like drain it to zero for the past 3 days that I've been using it, but I've not been able to. I think because, 1, the display is not like a full HD display, so it doesn't take too much of the battery capacity, and the optimizations in the phone also helps to give you a very long lasting battery. Plus, the battery itself is pretty big. 5,000 milliamperes is just amazing. And Vivo has targeted markets like Nigeria, Ghana, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, places where constant supply of electricity is not a given, so that at least with a phone like this, you can go 2 or 3 days without even needing to recharge if your electricity company doesn't supply you and you are not rich enough to have your own generator at home. In the box, you also get a 10 watts fast charging adapter, and it's a USB-C charger, so you can use it for any other device you have lying around which supports USB Type-C. Now, on the Vivo website, they say you can use this phone to charge your other phones or smartwatches. So all you need is just an OTG cable. Now, that makes it like, a power bank with running Android on it, the latest version of Android, and it's fantastic for the price, Now, this phone comes with the latest version of Android, which, as at the time of making this video, is Android 10. It also comes with FunTouch OS version 10, which is the flavor of Android that Vivo is running on it. And I found it very nice and easy to use. It has some really nice features, like it comes with a screen recorder on the phone and also has multiple screenshot options. It has a quick access menu on the side of the screen to launch apps quickly and to perform some everyday tasks. It even comes with health solutions like a drink water feature, which reminds you to drink water so you stay hydrated. Now, if you watch my review of some of the top apps for iOS and Android, drink water was one of the apps that I mentioned, but on iOS it's a paid app, so it's really neat that Vivo included this app in their device for free. Now, this is something that we all need to do in these times. What am I talking about? Drinking water, of course. Have you drank enough water today? Comment below and let me know. And if you haven't, please go and get a glass of water, pause the video, drink, and come and continue the video. Finally, let's talk about the cameras. The back of the device has 4 cameras which give you a lot of options. There's a 13 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and then a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. Now you can record video at 1080p up to 30 frames per second with both the front and the back lenses. Now the front selfie camera is an 8 megapixel camera, and for the price, I think that they are really okay for what you're looking for. These cameras, you know, they perform at their best if you have like adequate lighting. So you can see in the video that where the lighting is really good, the cameras are able to produce a really good image. So in conclusion, I would highly recommend that you purchase the VIVO Y30 if you are looking for a phone with, first of all, like a really good battery. 5000 milliamperes is more than about 90% of what smartphones offer today. A phone which has Android 10 and also has Google Play services, because today not all good phones have Google Play services. And then a phone which has enough storage, enough RAM, and a very low price. In Ghana, you can purchase this for less than $200, which is about 1098 Ghana cedis. Thanks, Bebre.